Just because you have a few black friends? Hey, it's Prince of Queens, and I was thinking a bit about the trope of a trope, which is not just when somebody says that they have a few black friends so that they can't be racist, but even more so when somebody says in response, well, just because you have a few black friends, that doesn't mean you're not racist, which is a trope in itself. But even more so, a lot of the time it goes even further, and social justice types end up virtue signaling and posting status updates on Facebook that read as something to the effect of, when I hear a white person say that they aren't racist because they have a few black friends, I usually assume that they are saying that because they actually really are racist. Which is weird, because when people post such status updates like anybody gives a shit what they think about white people who say they have black friends, I assume they are posting it because they are overcompensating with public displays of being woke, probably because they are racist themselves. But let's be fair to these people who virtue signal in this way. Why wouldn't people post random status updates like that? Ever since the great cultural change of 2012, blogs and social media algorithms which bring certain types of blogs to our attention have been obsessively bombarding us with this message that having black friends is not actually a sign that you aren't racist. MTV even went so far as to say in their White Men Need to Do Better in 2017 video that they deleted off of YouTube that people with black friends don't say that they have black friends, which is kind of weird. At this point, it does legitimately sound like they are saying that people should be ashamed of having black friends or something. Here's the thing. I am somebody who grew up having a number of friends that were racial minorities, including numerous black friends, though I will confess that over the past few years, because of the fact that I have lived in social justice warrior havens, I have become estranged from numerous black friends of mine. Congratulations on dividing us, social justice. You've been very successful. I do have numerous black and mixed friends that I have made recently on YouTube, and I am still in contact with several black friends who live in different cities to myself. However, one thing that I can legitimately say is that I worry about my subconscious racial biases that I might develop from mostly interacting with white people, because occasionally your prejudices do creep up on you. It's the same for any group of people that you might not be interacting with much. What's to stop you from becoming prejudiced against that group and assume things that might be completely inaccurate about that group if you aren't actually hanging out with people of that group who will show you that your stereotypes aren't always true? I'll say it simply. I'm gay. And one of the first things I look for when meeting straight friends is whether or not they actually have some gay friends. Because if they don't, I usually end up having to explain all sorts of details to them about being gay, and it can get kind of tiring. Which is not to say I won't do it, but it's always nice when it's clear that they've known a lot of gay guys. Are there people who have gay friends or black friends that are anti-gay or racist about certain things? Sure, there definitely are. However, chances are that if somebody actually doesn't have any black or gay friends, then they actually are a lot more likely to be racist or anti-gay than somebody who is friends with black or gay people. This is common sense. So here's the theory. Perhaps the people who feel so inclined to say, just because you have a few black friends, and call other people racist for daring to mention that they have black friends, perhaps these are people who don't really have any black friends themselves. And it's their way of saying, gotcha, to people that are actually probably a lot less racist than they are. I mean, think about it. If you are a white person who desperately wants to be seen as non-racist, but you don't actually really have any black friends besides maybe one or two tokens from school that are on your Facebook friend list that you haven't really talked to in adult life, well, what else do you have to justify that you aren't racist besides internet call-out culture? if you don't actually really have any black friends and maybe are kind of racist, but you want people to think that you have an evolved and woke anti-racist worldview, well, then the only option you would have left would be to try to one up other people with little games of gotcha on the internet, like attacking somebody for daring to mention that they do actually have black friends. If you actually have a lot of black friends, then you kind of know you're not racist and you don't have to prove it. So you don't have to go around the internet calling everybody else racist. Though I will concede that if they start saying things like, oh my God, you said that you have black friends, that means you're probably racist. Well, then, maybe you should call them racist because I think they probably are. Here's what I'm thinking. Next time you notice somebody mocking people for mentioning that they have black friends, why don't you say something to the effect of, let me guess, you don't really have any black friends. I don't care if it's a black person or another racial minority. Half of the black SJWs I know don't really have any black friends either. Let these people know that you are fully aware that not only are they overcompensating to hide their own inner racism and that they don't want other people to know about it, so they're projecting it outwards, but also that you're fully aware that only somebody who has never really had many black friends would be so shitty as to shame other people for admitting that they'd actually mixed with black people a lot. Having friends of all colors is a good thing, despite what social justice warriors would seemingly have you believe. And if you have black friends and you feel as if somebody has a reason to know that, don't let them make you feel ashamed for admitting to having black friends. Only somebody who doesn't know many black people would tell you that having a number of black friends isn't a sign that you aren't racist. That's all I have for this evening. Drop me a comment. Help me out on Patreon if you think I seem cool. Hit the bell button next to the subscribe button so that you don't get unsubscribed from my channel, and stay tuned.